In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to mute the order sound on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to top left and click on these three lines. Now go to settings, this one, click on it. And here you will see order sound. As you can see, play sounds for order. All you have to do now is uncheck it like this. And now if we go to charts and you click on the order, for example, buy, let's click on OK. As you can see, we don't have the sound, as you can see. And that's it. If we go to trade, you will see that we have two orders. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.